Sarah, I'm not going to turn on their request. They want you to dance once more. Only solo. If you're up for this. Okay. Guys, you cannot miss out on this opportunity. अच्छा कितने लड़कों को आना है पहले हाथ ऊपर कीजिए please. अच्छा अब हाथ नीचे नहीं मिल रहा है हाथ नीचे मिल रहा है. Okay, we've got. Alright guys, we've got our own people from Team Kshitij who are ready. Who can be dancing with Sara Ali Khan? अभी अगर लोगों की प्रॉब्लम थी वो भी सॉल्व हो गई. We've got girls who are ready to dance with you. Okay, guys, come on stage. Please give them a huge round of applause. And please make some noise for Sara because she's doing this just for you guys. Let's go. Thank you so much, guys. Please give it up for the lovely girls who danced. And now, please give it up for Sara. I think she's done a brilliant job in this song. Alright, time for a few questions now. I think we've had a lot of dance music. I want to know a lot of things from you. Firstly, tell me, how is this experience of coming back to college with seeing real people in front of you after 2 long years?
Amazing. It's amazing, and I just want you to know this is the first time, and maybe like one of the only times, I'm going to see this song like on a big screen.
Wow.
So genuinely, thank you guys for making this possible for me. I do this for you guys. I love my job a lot, but I can't deny that a really large part of it is to be able to come and see young people, old people, girls, boys just laugh and have fun and enjoy themselves. And y'all are the people that motivate and inspire me to do anything that I do. So, thank you. Truly, thank you.
Sarah, before you came, I think a lot of people, they just had this one dialogue that they were saying. They said, Namaste Darshako.
Namaste Darshako.
That's wonderful. But Sarah, how was it working with 3 powerhouses? We had Dhanush, we had Akshay Kumar sir, and of course, the very, very talented Anand Rai sir. How was the experience? What is so different about this film that you've never done? What is so different about the character that you've never played?
I think the Bihari dialect is new. Throwing bottles is new. My first solo song is new. All of it is new. I think that Anandji is just the most loving, he's just superb. He's so emotional and he just makes you understand exactly what the character is feeling and helps you get that to life. Dhanush sir is Thalaiva of the South, as we know. Akshay sir is Thalaiva of the North, which I used to call him. And it was just so inspiring, you know, so much energy, such positivity. Akshay sir is one of the biggest stars ever. Dhanush sir is a national award winner. it was just great to be able to be on that set was a privilege in and of itself. And this song, I mean, Shreya ma'am, Vijay sir, my choreographer, Irshad sir's lyrics, Rahman sir's music, I can't believe this is me. Like, I'm in shock. I'm like, what? Really?
This is wonderful. And I must say, with the kind of people that have been involved in this project, I'm sure it's a wonderful feeling.
Thank you.
And it's going to take you places. We can already see that the way you've evolved as an actor, the way you've evolved as a human being, your humility, it speaks volumes. So thank you so much
Thank you.
for doing what you do and inspiring a lot others in being like you. My next question to you is, of course, very simple. When you have people like Akshay Kumar, when you have people like Dhanush sir, when there's someone like A.R. Rahman, his music, does it inspire you or do you feel a little intimidated कि यार कैसे करेंगे?
You have to meet these people in real life. Dhanush sir, Akshay sir, Anand sir, ऐसा लगता नहीं है कि मतलब ये दिग्गज सितारों के बीच एक नई लड़की आई है. They are so warm, so welcoming, so encouraging, so inspiring. मतलब I couldn't have asked for a better team at all.
And I think all that result has shown. We can see it in the trailer, and I'm sure we're going to be seeing it in the movie as well. Can we please give it up for Atrangi Rewaz?
Thank you for all your love. And watch the film on Christmas.
Yes, it's streaming from the 24th of December exclusively on Disney Plus Hotstar. But Sara, your fans, they really want to talk to you. They want to ask a lot of questions to you. So we gave them an opportunity. We've had people in the audience who want to ask a few questions. So yes, can you guys kindly raise your hands and we're going to be giving you an opportunity to ask your questions. Can we have a mic that is passed on there? Yes? Quickly. Okay, yes. Can we have the question, please, quickly? Where's the mic? Have you passed on the mic? Yes. Hello, hello. Yes, there he is.
Yeah, so my question was, how was your college experience and is there any particular fun incident that you remember?
College was a blast, as you guys know, I'm sure. I think the best part of it was living alone. I think that I learned so much on just like being on my own. I missed India a lot, I missed mom a lot, but I think college was just amazing. There's not one thing I can point out, but I'll tell you this, that I went to college to study law, and I did an acting course there, and I participated in a play there, and that's what changed my life, which is why I'm here right now, because I decided I want to act. That happened in college.
That's wonderful. Yes, we have one more person who wants to ask a question. Can you please pass on the mic? Yes.
When you're on set, what do you do to unwind?
When I'm on set, what do I do to unwind? I think after set is when I unwind. But on set, I think that just being fully present, listening to my director, participating with my team, listening to music if I need to, not get distracted. That's what I do.
Yes, can you please have a huge round of applause? Okay, this is the final question that we are taking. Thank you so much to the fans. I hope you guys had a lot of fun. I have one last question for you, Sara.
Please.
There's a lot of people here. I know a lot of my friends who really look up to you, who want to be like you in one way or the other. If you had to give them a piece of advice to just make it big in whatever field that they want, what would it be?
Don't want to be like anybody. That person already exists. Be you, be honest to who you are, and work hard, because all dreams that are really wanted do come true at the right time.
Alright, Sara, I just want to thank you for doing this.
Thank you so much.
Before we
for
let you
having
go, we've got a few activities planned.
Activities?
Yes, a few activities planned. Our team has got a cake for you.
Oh, yeah.
Now that we're launching the song Chaka Chak, we have a cake for you.
Okay.
And we'd love for you to cut that with us. Do you guys want that or no? Come on, be a little loud.
Before cake, मैं मोटी हो जाऊंगी suddenly. सही कहा, अभी ले लो. All good?
Yes, all set. Sara, wait, Sara. Sara, look at center. Center पे नहीं है.
सारा जी आपके राइट पे.
Sara, center.
सारा जी नमस्ते. सारा ऑन राइट. सारा नमस्ते. नमस्ते.
आप लोगों ने मेरे नमस्ते को पोज बना दिया है, पता है? मैं एक्चुअली बोलती हूँ नमस्ते।
सारा जी.
नमस्ते।
सारा जी.
Sara, hit है Sara.
बाकी लोग भी करते हैं. बाकी लोग भी करने लगे अभी नमस्ते.
All right, yes. Can we please have the table? Can we have the cake, please?
ट्रेंडिंग हो गया.
I love them. They said that.
We love you, sir.
I've seen them interact more with you than anybody else. I think I've seen them interact with you more than anybody else, and that's how much they love. Yeah.
They know who the OG Namaste girl is.
Oh yes.
They know. They are aware. All the
Absolutely.
rest might not be.
कोई और भी कॉपी करते हैं.
Chattu ji.
All right. Yes. Sarah, can we please have you here? It's cake cutting time. This is our team. Can you all clap, please? Yes. All right. Can we please have a huge round of applause for her once again? अभी थोड़ी नजरें ऊपर उठा लो, सबको मिलेगा केक. Yes, please. Yes, सबको मिलेगा. Don't worry. Okay. Yes. Before we end this, Sara, we have one token of love and appreciation from our side that we want to give you for being a part of our event, for being here with us. It's such a special opportunity, and trust me, we'd love to have you over and over again for all your films. Can we please have, yes, I request Yashmi Godeja, who's our chairperson, to kindly hand it over to Sara. Can we, yes, can we quickly have the team, yes, can we have a picture, yeah. Alright, thank you so much guys, thank you. One more surprise before we let you go. I'm going to request Ayush and Yash, who are the co-owners of Rolling Bullet Entertainment, to kindly come up on stage. And Chronicle Ventures, Tanaj, can we please have you here? Yes. You're the ones who've made this event possible. Please give them a huge round of applause. Yes, we have one more photo. Take one photo. Guys, can we have Team Rolling Bullet and Chronicle Ventures for a quick photo, please? Quickly.
ट्राई तो करते हैं.
Alright, Sara, अभी crowd को आपके साथ एक picture लेना है. So we're going to take a quick selfie from here. Do you guys want this or no? Yes? So when I say 3, at the count of 3, I want you guys to put...
अरे भाई इधर आना, इधर हटाना।
एक सेकंड